So hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So I hope everyone is safe at your home and doing well. So I have brought you an interesting Java programming problem today. So without any further delay, let's jump into our code. So today's question is, what is the output of the Java code given below? So yeah, for your further information, today's Java code will be based upon if and else condition. So before starting the code, I'll explain you the syntax and the conditions of if conditions in Java. So generally, at first we need to declare the class. So public so yeah, here we need to give capital M. My bad. Yeah. Yeah. These two lines are very major in Java programming, and that's because generally these two lines will be very useful in converting the machine language, converting a code into machine language. So without these two lines, we can't get any proper output in our compiler. So just be careful in these two lines. And here, main is the public file. You may for example, in your compiler, if you created a folder name called, okay, for example, you have created a folder name called Pritham. Yeah, instead of main, you need to write Pritham here because your file name is Pritham, right? So you need to write your file name here. As it's I have given my file name as main, I have kept it as main. So public class main and public static void main string args. Yeah. And when it comes to if condition, it should be if. Okay, I'll explain you this later. Yeah, and the question is if one system dot instead of okay, yeah, we'll keep a channel name. Yeah, we code SI VIT. Yeah. Now I'll run this code. You guys just focus on the code, right? Okay. Yeah. I hope I haven't done any mistake. Yeah. As this is a statement, we need to give semicolon at the end. Remember that in Java programming, we need to give semicolon at the end of the statement. Okay, not after the command. You just need to give semicolon after the statement. Yeah, I'll run this code again. Yeah, I have got another error again. So yeah, I'm not gonna say any solution for now. It's up to you guys. You just pause the video and say to me in comment section what error I have done and the valid reason for that. So I'll give you 5 seconds. You just pause the video and look at the code properly and say why I have got error here, and I need a proper explanation in my comment section. Yeah, it's 3 2 1 and go. Yeah, I'll explain you that. Focus it here. Generally, if and else conditions are gonna be based upon the conditions given by the user. General syntax for if condition would be if condition and proceed. If condition and next to the body. Yeah, and in our question we have given that if. So where is the condition in that? There is no condition applied. So of course it would be giving an incomplete type, error incomplete type. So we need to give a proper condition to if statement, or else we will get the same error we got it here like this. Now if condition you may get if you gave an input like n equals to 1, if n is much more equals to or n is greater than 0, print this one number of times when giving like n equals to n plus 1, something like that. If it be like that, it would be executing the code properly, but you haven't gave any condition here, right? And more specifically, if should be a boolean, like it should be true. This code should be true. Yeah, if the code is true and a condition is given properly, this code gonna exit without any error. So now I'll remove this if statement. I'll try to print this again. You'll get a proper result. See this, you'll get a code, right? Yeah, v code, csi Vit-Ap, csi Vit-Ap. Yeah, that's it. So remember that in if or else statement you should have a proper condition and it should be true. Either it should be true or it should be false, but your condition must be a valid condition. So I hope you got good idea about this, and I hope you got a good grip on this topic. So that's it for this video, guys, and let's meet in another video, and stay tuned with the channel and be safe. Thank you.